Well, I've got a letter in the mail about a seminar for stem cell regeneration, and I didn't know anything about it. I didn't think much about it. Finally, one day I was looking at it, and it was the day that the seminar was, and I was to the point where if I didn't get in the seminar, I was going to schedule a knee replacement that same day. But as it turned out, I got in the seminar, and it hadn't been anything but great. It's no surgery. I'm 1,000 times better than what it was. Pain-wise, I'm probably 70% back to, well, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. So it's been a good deal for me. Instead of having to get my knee cut out and replaced, the stem cell is worked for me. So I really don't know what else to say other than it's well worth the visit to come down here and talk to Dr. Parker and see what he has to say. He'll tell you whether it's worth it or not, if you're a good candidate or if you're not. So anyways, that's kind of my deal, and I highly recommend it. So at least give it a shot.
When I first went to the meeting, they told me about this being able to eliminate this knee pain that I've had for 20 plus years. After I got the injection, things started getting better. It took a couple of weeks. Well, I'd say the first month or so, everything started getting better. The pain went away. Got a business with my daughter and son-in-law, and I'm down there every day, and we was talking to a customer, and she said, "Look at my dad, he's standing up straight now, he's not hurting like he was." Wife, she says I'm not moaning and complaining anymore because my knees bothering me all the time. And it's just the exercises that they've got me on, I'm getting better every day. I'm having to relearn how to walk. I'm not walking like Chester did on the old Gunsmoke show, just limping all the time. I walk every day when the weather permits and stuff, and I'm where I can just, when I leave the house, I can do my walking, and when I get back 20 or 30 minutes later, I didn't have to stop. It's just steady. I can keep going steadily. That's where I'm at right now. It's just getting better every day. So,
do you recommend it?
I recommend it to everybody. I've got a brother and two sisters that are kind of watching me, and things are working good for me, so I'm recommending it to them. And I've got some aunts, an aunt that needs it, and it's a big recommendation. I'm kind of breaking new ground, and the main thing for me is not having to go under the knife for surgery, because that is a high risk that I don't want to take.
Okay.